Welcome to Work Smarter TV. I am Maarten, and in this video I will show you how to create a pivot table. And what is a pivot table? It's a table that pivots. It's exactly that, it turns. It took me a long time actually to grasp what you could do with it. So that's why I thought, let's start with the same basic example again from the last videos if you've been watching the series. We select it and we go to Insert, and you guessed it, Pivot Table. You can select a table or range. Well, we already did that, so it catches it, and you can say, okay, where do I put this? Well, you can put it in an existing one, but since they're slightly complicated, we just put it in a new worksheet. We click OK, and you can see we have a sheet 5 here now, and here's some thingy that will become the pivot table once we fill out this area here. Here we have the fields from our table. We had 3 from our data, of course. We had 3 either car numbers, the mileage, and the mileage since last maintenance. Now, in the original data, we had the car numbers. Oh, this was all columns. We had the car numbers first. Can we have a look at this? Yes. We had the car numbers first, then the mileage, then the miles since last maintenance. But what we can do here is we can say, well, I want the mileage to go in the columns, and you see it automatically fills it out. It gets all the data from the numbers from the data we selected, and says, okay, these are the columns. And we can say, well, let's put the car numbers here, and it goes 1 to 10, and here, and we put the miles in last maintenance there. Well, and you can see it does. What you find here is basically the cross section. So 7, the 2000 means 7, and this one and that one belong together. And you can say, okay, so the 10,000 or 100,000 mileage goes with 10,000 for 10,000 miles since last maintenance. Now this isn't exactly useful. But what we can do is we can say, well, let's put this here and let's put this there. And here you have something. This is actually, this lists the miles since last maintenance in ascending order, and this lists the total mileage in ascending order as well. And here it sort of distributes all the car numbers where they are. So if you wanted to have an immediate easy access to, okay, so this one is, no, this is interesting, this is interesting. And if you have a large data set, this becomes much more relevant, because this is of course a bit of a simple example, and it still doesn't, to be honest, doesn't mean a lot. But it gives you a very nice way to calculate data, and you can filter, you can sort in this pivot table without having to change the original data. You can create sums, you can create averages, you can, well, and I'll show you all that in a more advanced video on pivot tables. But I wanted to start simple, since they can be a pretty complicated concept. Well, alright, I hope you at least know what a pivot table is now and how you can create a basic one. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like. And if you want to see more of my stuff, you can click on the link below in the description to my website, worksmarter.tv. Alright, thank you for watching, and until next time, bye!